Hey guys, I know I haven't given you an update on the Cadillac in a little while, so I figured I'd go ahead and give you an update on that. We've been fighting a lot of wet weather around here, so it's been hard to get out there in dry weather and work on the frame. As you can see here, everything has been stripped off. The suspension components have all been disassembled, all of the bushings have been replaced. They have all been sanded down, sprayed down with ospho to neutralize the rust, primed and painted. Here you can see me wire brushing the frame, same method, spraying it down with ospho, priming it, and then painting it. You can see that I did not get any videos of me actually painting it. I'll show an update in that later on, as well as an update on the rear bushings that I found that will work for this car that are significantly cheaper than factory replacements. One interesting thing that I did find while I was disassembling the front suspension was that the front upper ball joints are actually welded in. There's two tack welds, front and back. This was something that I found extremely odd, and if some of you guys are having difficulty removing those ball joints, check out for those welds. You kind of have to dig around in the dirt and look for those before you actually be able to take those out. Appreciate you watching and hope you enjoy the video.